To the left of our audio mixer, we have our modular tab-based interface, and this allows us to access all the rest of the power in the TriCaster. We'll cover each one of these tabs in depth. We also have our record live output and our stream live output buttons. These are associated with the record and stream tab, and this is how we activate the ability to record our final output back to the TriCaster or activate our live stream out of the TriCaster. Again, we'll cover this in detail as we get into recording and streaming. We also have 4 tabs along the top of the interface, and everything that we've been working with right now has been in our live production tab. We also have a capture media tab for capturing clips and other types of media into the TriCaster. We have an edit media tab, which is our full-blown nonlinear editor that comes with the TriCaster. And we have our edit text tab, which is our full-blown character generator that comes with the TriCaster. Also notice that we have an output showing us the current mode that we're in. We're in ISO mode, which is our 3-camera mode, and we're also in NTSC at 16:9 aspect ratio. Now with TriCaster Broadcast, we also have a configure button up here, and let's go ahead and click on that. This allows us to choose the output mode, whether we're going to be outputting in either YC or component. This does not affect the SDI output. So again, this would be a secondary output if we're using our SDI output. We can also use a component output or a YC output or a composite output. Now we can also set up what our preview monitor is going to be using as an output. So again, that was the second row of video outputs on the front of the TriCaster. And we can set that up to output component, YC, and again, SDI would be hot there as well. We can also set it up to whether or not we want to use the preview out as an alpha channel out from our configuration button here. And our alpha channel out can be set up with a delay, and we can adjust that delay using our control right here. We also have some gen lock controls down here for setting up our gen lock if we are gen locking the TriCaster with cameras or into house sync of a studio. Basic overview of the TriCaster interface. Now let's go ahead and take a look at actually doing a switch with the TriCaster.